In this lecture of the muscular system, we're going to talk about the characteristics of skeletal muscle. First, we have to remember that muscle is a unique tissue. And what makes muscle tissue unique is that it has the ability to contract or shorten in length when stimulated by an electrical impulse. And that electrical impulse, or action potential, will specifically come from a motor neuron. So in this illustration here, there are two motor neurons. One motor neuron is purple, and the other motor neuron is red. You can see that the purple motor neuron innervates two muscle fibers, and the red motor neuron innervates three muscle fibers. We call this interaction between a motor neuron and the muscle fibers a motor unit. And by definition, a motor unit is a motor neuron and all of the muscle fibers that it innervates. In other words, it's a motor neuron and all of the muscle fibers it connects to and stimulates. Motor unit number 1 innervates 2 muscle fibers. Motor unit number 2 innervates 3 muscle fibers. When motor unit number 1 is stimulated, it results in a particular shape of a graph or a particular force of contraction. When motor unit number 2 is stimulated, it too produces a certain force on a graph. But when we stimulate both motor unit number 1 and motor unit number 2, we get a larger force of contraction.